Hey guys, we're going to do chapter 14, sections 5 and 6. This one's on comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. So on a comet, it's made up of three main parts. You have the coma right here, which is the cloud of gas and dust that forms a fuzzy outer layer. Inside that you have the nucleus, and that's deep within that coma. And then you have a dust tail, and that dust tail usually has two tails. It's actually a bluish gas tail and then a white dust tail. Comets revolve around the sun in a very long, narrow orbit, and the tail, as you can see here, is always pointed away from the sun. The asteroids that we see usually come from the asteroid belt, and they revolve around the sun in a fairly circular orbit. They're located between Mars and Jupiter, between the inner and the outer planets. Most of the comets that we know of come from the Kuiper belt, which is right outside Neptune's orbit. And then we have this Oort cloud, which kind of encapsulates all of the solar system, and it's just outside of Pluto. So what's the difference here? A meteoroid, a meteor, and a meteorite. What's the difference? The meteoroid is a small particle from an asteroid or comet orbiting the sun. A meteor is a meteoroid that is observed as it burns up through the atmosphere. It's like a shooting star. And a meteorite is a meteoroid that survives its passage through the atmosphere and actually hits the face of the Earth. So is there life beyond Earth? So Mars is the primary place that we're looking. We also look at one of the moons and Jupiter as possible situation where life may exist as we know it. But we think that because life requires liquid water, many scientists hypothesize that Mars may have once had these conditions, and we're thinking that underneath the surface here that there might be conditions or water underneath that, and we might have the best situation to try to sustain life as we know it. The Goldilocks conditions is what you should know, the things that require, that our life as we know it requires. Breathable atmosphere, so it has to have the right combination of gases in the atmosphere, temperature that we can survive at, and liquid water. And that's it.